After an extended advertising campaign, the Don't Kick Your Shoe organization arrested 20% of shoe abusers. If there are 540 shoe abusers, how many arrests were there? Yes, this is true. Don't abuse your shoe. So let's figure out. So I drew a percent bar. This whole entire percent bar represents 100%. But notice how I broke down the percent bar into 10 equal parts. What percent did I put in each equal part? 10%. Because 100 divided into 10 group is 10%. So now 540 shoe abusers. That represents 100%. So if I put all 540 shoe abuser, they would fill up this entire percent bar. They represent 540 shoe abusers. But then I would like to know what 10% represents. How can I break down this 540 into 10 equal groups? Well, let's find out. Can 10 go into 5? No. Can 10 go into 54? 5 times. So 54 minus 50 is 4. Bring down the 0. How many 10s go into 40? 4 times. So it is 54. So for every 10, so we put 54 in each one of these. Let me do it infinite cloner, infinite cloner, infinite cloner, infinite cloner, infinite cloner, infinite cloner. All right, so let's make sure we understand this now. For every 10%, we put in 54 shoe abusers. 10%, 54 shoe abuser. 10%, 54 shoe abuser. But the question is this. So it says we arrested 20%, 10% are 54 people. We arrested another 10%, 54 people. So 10% is 20%. So 54 plus 54 is 108 arrested, or 20%. The reason why I like drawing a percent bar is you can answer any question from this. For example, if I needed to know 40%, I can add 54 4 times or do 54 times 4. But what if I needed to find 25%? I can do 54 for 10%, 54 for 10%. But then I% is half of 54, which would be 27. And that's how I could have gotten that one. So 54 plus 54 plus 27 is 135 arrested, or 25%. So another way we can do it is using something called the part to whole relationship. This is a formula that we do use. Some people prefer that over the percent bar. So it's what part of the people get arrested. Whole is name everybody. Percent is the percent that got arrested. So we have 20%. So we put the 20 right here. We don't know what part got arrested. That's what the question is asking us to find, but we do know there are 540 shoe abusers. That's everybody as a whole. So now you have to find a relationship. There are several ways you can do this. What is the relationship between 100 to 540? How many hundreds go into 540? It goes in 5 times. But then we are left with 5 and 4 tenths. So we need to multiply 20 times 5 and 4 tenths. If you multiply 20 times 5 and 4 tenths, remember you multiply normally. 4 times 0 is 0. 4 times 2 is 8. Cancel this out. Cancel this out. 5 times 0 is 0. 5 times 2 is 10. It's 1080. But we have to put back the 0 because it's one place. So that's where we get 108. Hey, same answer. So another way you could have done it is this way. How do you turn 100 into 20 groups? Divide it into 5 groups, fifths. So 540 divided by 5 is 108. And that's how you do percent of number using bar diagram or the part to whole relationship.